Start.
Sit cross-legged comfortably, keep your back straight, your chest slightly pushed forward, index fingers and thumbs together. Place both palms face up on the pillow and slowly close your eyes, closing all your senses. Just focus on breathing. Relax from the top of your head, relax your eyes, relax your cheeks, relax your jaw, and relax your entire face. Relax your shoulders, relax your entire arms, relax your chest, abdomen. And finally, relax your whole feet. Now relax your mind and focus on your breathing, holding here for a few minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring consciousness back. Take a deep breath. And exhale. Bring your hands up before your chest, rubbing your palms warmly. Then gently press your palms to your eyes, feeling the warmth of your palms spreading. Continue to rub hotly again. Rub your palms very hot, then apply both hands to your eyes, gently massage your eyes, blink in your palms. Slowly move your hands away from your eyes, and follow your hands, both hands clasped on the forehead and down to the chest. We greeted each other. Namaste.
Ready. Go.
Stand up straight on the mat so that your big toes are touching. Toes spread wide and cling tightly to the carpet. Two hands follow the body. Pull your stomach in and chest forward, keeping your spine straight and neck straight. Relax all the muscles on the face, hold the pose for a few minutes, and breathe evenly here. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to the starting position and relax your body. Inhale. Cross your knees and slowly extend your arms straight overhead. Note, hands by ear or behind ears, knees should not exceed toes. Exhale. Lower your arms back to the starting position. Inhale. Continue to overlap your knees, raise your arms high, and close your ears over your head. Exhale. Slowly lower your hand. Inhale. Continue to cross your knees, reaching your arms up high. Tighten buttocks, thighs, and abdomen. Exhale. Gently lower your hand. Inhale again and raise your arms above your head. Hold and breathe evenly. Exhale. Lower your arms back to the starting position. Extended. Inhale. Both arms are shoulder width apart, parallel to the floor. Squeeze your abs and thighs and breathe evenly. Keep your back straight, don't bend your spine. Gently look ahead. Breathe evenly. With each exhale, you will feel your body stretch in many directions: up, down, left, right, front, back. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, relax your body, and return to the starting position. Step right foot backward. The left knee is perpendicular. Slowly reach your arms straight over your head and touch your palms together so that your fingertips are facing the ceiling. Breathe evenly here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, and slowly step your right foot back to the starting position. Inhale, continue to step left foot back, right foot perpendicular. Raise your hands high above your head, touching your fingers together. Hold the pose and breathe evenly here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly step your left foot back to the starting position and relax your body. Cross your left knee and step your right foot back. Place your fingertips on the floor. Note, the left end is perpendicular to the floor. Stretch your right leg backward. Squeeze your thigh muscles and breathe evenly here. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale all. Inhale. And exhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale straight leg and step right foot back to the starting position and prepare to switch sides. Step left foot backward. The right knee should be perpendicular and at the same time place the fingertips on the floor. Pull your chest forward to form a straight line from your back heels to your head, paying attention to squeezing your abs and thighs. Hold your posture and breathe evenly. Inhale. Exhale. Take a deep breath. And slow breathing. Inhale. Exhale, straighten your legs and step your left foot back to the starting position. Lengthen your spine, bend forward so that your stomach, chest, chin, forehead touch your feet, and palms touch the floor. If you don't touch the floor with your hands, you can touch your fingertips or touch your ankles. Bend your knees slightly